Assalamualaikum to Miss Saida. My name is Abang Khyrul Ain bin Abang Abdul Karim Remy. I will do a presentation about my article, Review on Management of Records in Adapted Building as Record Center in Zimbabwe. So now, for abstract, firstly, this study investigates the challenge and opportunities associated with records management in adapted building used in record center in Zimbabwe. Secondly, the demand for suitable facilities to house records has increased as organizations increasingly recognize the importance of effective records management for compliance, accountability, and operational effectively. Thirdly, the study takes mixed methods approach combining interviews with key stakeholders in records management with on-site assessment of adapted building from various industries. Lastly, the study looked into how well this adapted building meet the stringent requirement for preserving and managing records, taking into account factors like climate control, security, and space optimization. So now, let's move on to introduction. The article focused on records management in Zimbabwe, which has 6 public record centers for semi-current records. Secondly, the Harare and Bulawayo Record Center are purpose-built, where the Gweru, Masvingo, Mutare, and Chinhoyi centers make use of adapted buildings that were originally intended for others' purpose, such as former prison or construction office. Third, using these modified buildings is a low-cost strategy that has resulted the proliferation of record centers across the country. Fourth, the research focused on the Gweru Record Center in the Midlands province to evaluate the benefits and drawback of using adapted building as record center. Benefits of using adapted building. Using adapted building for records or archival center in Zimbabwe has several advantages, including lower setup costs and improved client access. Secondly, preservation obstacles. The importance of preservation in archival administration cannot be overstated. The environment in which records are kept has a significant impact on their preservation. So now, let's move on to conclusion. In conclusion, the use of adapted building for record center provide developing countries like Zimbabwe with an affordable and practical way to establish a large number of record centers. This approach not only promotes the national archival institution, but it also brings archival service closer to the client, making them more accessible. The problem of uncontrolled temperature, fluctuating relative humidity, too much light, too much heat, smoke, soot, and industrial emission are all the contribution to the deterioration of paper records. Furthermore, when doors, roof, and windows are in poor condition, the security of records can be compromised, making theft and vandalism more common occur in archival history.